Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today I'm going to be doing the tafsir of Surah Yusuf from ayahs number 37 to 39. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So ayah number 37 says, قال لا يأتيكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون. It means Yusuf said, alayhi salam, I will inform you about the interpretation of the dreams before the arrival of the food that is sent to you. This knowledge is part of what I have been taught by my Lord. I have renounced the way of those who do not believe in Allah and who deny the hereafter. So, in the tafsir, Yusuf alayhi salam told the two prisoners with him that he has knowledge of the dreams, like he can interpret dreams, and that he will tell them about the interpretation of the dreams before they become reality. This is why he said that no food will come to your provision, but I will inform you about the dreams you saw. Moving on to the next ayah, which is ayah number 38, it says, وَاتَّبَعْتُ مِلَّةَ آبَائِي إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَإِسْحَاقَ وَيَعْقُوبَ مَا كَانَ لَنَا أَن نُشْرِكَ بِاللَّهِ مِنْ شَيْءٍ ذَلِكَ مِنْ فَضْلِ اللَّهِ عَلَيْنَا وَعَلَى النَّاسِ وَلَكِنَّ أَكْثَرَ النَّاسِ لَا يَشْكُرُونَ. And it means that, and I have adopted the way of my forefathers Ibrahim and Ishaq and Yaqub. It is not for us to associate any with Allah and in His divinity. It is out of Allah's grace upon us and upon mankind that He did not require of us to serve any other than Allah, and yet most people do not give thanks. So moving on to the tafsir, Yusuf alayhi salam told the prisoners that I follow the religion of my forefathers Ibrahim, Ishaq and Yaqub and not follow polytheism. This was his way of calling these prisoners towards Allah before he told them the interpretation of their dreams. So it shows that how important it is to have a relationship, father-son relationship. The time that Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam had with his father was only when he was a child, and yet his concept of the religion is so strong that even after so many years, he still remembers everything. So moving on to the next ayah, ayah number 39, which is the last ayah for today, it says, Ya sahib yis-sijni arbabu mutafarriquna khayrun amillahul wahidul qahhar. And it means that, fellow prisoners, is it better that there be diverse lords or just Allah, the one, the irresistible? And the tafsir of his ayah says, Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam went on calling his two prison companions to worship Allah alone without partners and to reject whatever is being worshipped instead of him, Allah. He gave them example to make them think that this one is one God better or is many. So this is a beautiful way of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam calling these prisoners towards Allah before he told them the interpretation of their dreams, which we will see in the following ayahs. So that's all for today. Fi aman Allah.